Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Open Settings and select Ease of Access to find keyboard options quickly. Choose Keyboard from the left menu to see accessibility toggles. Turn on the on-screen keyboard toggle to display the keyboard overlay immediately. You can also open the on-screen keyboard using Windows key plus Control plus O without opening settings. If you need a touch-friendly layout, switch to the touch keyboard layout in Options. Close the keyboard by toggling off or pressing the close X in the upper corner. After turning it on, open Keyboard Settings to customize layout and behavior. Switch between full, split, and small layouts inside Settings for touch comfort. Enable text suggestions and autocorrect in Options to speed typing and reduce errors. Adjust keyboard size and position by dragging edges or using the resize controls. Choose whether the keyboard appears automatically when you tap a text field. Save time by enabling voice typing or handwriting panels in the same customization menu. Learn a few advanced tips to use the on-screen keyboard more efficiently. Use the Windows key plus Control plus O to toggle the on-screen keyboard quickly. Enable the numeric keypad or emoji panel from the keyboard to access extra characters fast. Use drag to reposition and resize the keyboard for ergonomic thumb reach during long typing sessions. Practice keyboard shortcuts like Ctrl plus C and Ctrl plus V using the on-screen keys to maintain productivity. Close extra panels when not needed to reduce screen clutter and improve visibility.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.